The health of our people and our environment are all interconnected. I believe that the wealth of our nation depends on the health of our environment and our people. The spaces that we cherish and enjoy with our friends and family, for example, our parks, our schools, and our community centers, they are also at risk of becoming totally non existent as we know it. So, how then can we thrive for a healthier planet when many of our children and young persons are exposed to at least one climate and environmental hazard, which are creating incredibly challenging environments for our children to live, play, thrive, and survive? This fight for climate justice doesn't stand at our physical environment alone, but it also impacts negatively on our children's and our young person's mental health environment. For us, we are being severely impacted by the effects that the climate change is having on our lives, our livelihoods, and our economies and our countries by extension. And we truly believe that to be far greater support by the international community to us within small island developing states in helping us to become more climate resilient and adapt better to the impact that the climate crisis is having on our lives today. So we're seeing a greater level of sensitization and awareness within our countries, within our communities, within our non-governmental organizations and school groupings, as well as it relates to tackling this climate crisis, because we are at the forefront, and at the end of the day we can't fully depend on persons to take action for us. Action needs to come from the individual within itself in order to assist with the averting of this climate crisis globally and within our regions today. My message of hope would be to don't give up. Every day, millions of persons worldwide are taking action for our environment. Each and every one of us have a role to play in averting the climate crisis. And we just need together, we need to join hands and work as one to ensure that that our plight in this climate crisis can be averted, and we can't do it alone, but we need to join hands together and create a global movement in averting the climate crisis.